Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to simply teach you how you can go ahead and crop an image on Photoshop. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To crop an image, it's going to be really simple. All you're going to do is, first of all, let's just go ahead and import the photo that you want to crop. So click on file, click on open, and then go ahead and open any photo that you want to crop. So as you can see, this is the photo I want to crop. So all I'm going to do is simply I'm going to search for the crop tool. So this is going to be the crop tool. You can simply press C on your keyboard or simply click on this tool right here. And now what you're going to do is just drag the edge until where you want it to be cropped. Can you see what I'm doing? So all you're going to do is just drag the edges till where you want to go ahead and crop this image. And finally, once you think that you are done with cropping the image, all you're going to do is click on this check mark up here. And there you go, the image will be cropped, and that is as simple as that. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below and let me know. And if you haven't already, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.